doing an attic inspection for Miss Leah Webster. As we suspected, we were identifying plank decking with spaces. That one's at 1/4 inch. So we're gonna have to do a layover on this. Let's see. We've got some larger gaps over here, and we've got some larger gaps over here. This one might be where the leak is. So yeah, that's not going to be code compliant. We're going to have to lay over on that. There's a large one, about 3/4 of an inch right there. Yep. Attempt to repair number 2, Leah Webster. It's going to be back slope. Today is 5/3/2024. It's 84 degrees Fahrenheit outside. Damaged shingle here. This is our work area. We also just completed our attic inspection, and we were able to identify the property has slat decking with gaps larger than 1/4 inch. So really, no repairs can happen. But we'll talk repairability first. Okay. Gonna go 2 rows up. That nail's already pulled through. Almost. So as you can see, we've got heavy material transfer on all the shingles. Shingles above are tearing the ones below. You can see we got good wind, debris. It's all on the tar strip. Some of our nails are pulling through. Forgive my monotone. This is number 71 for the week. Here's the underside. You see that right there. That's evidence of true non-repairability. Every single one of them. That one was unsealed by the wind. Oh. Space decking. Hit the nails on the space decking. Oh, all right. It's gonna be a fail. Material transfer. You can see here. Same thing here. Same thing here. Same thing here. Same thing. Oh, that's the wind one. So yeah, it's gonna be a fail for material transfer. Don't worry about the creases. I bent them all too far. Show them the transfer. So attempt to repair. Fail. So while I'm here, these are going to be certainty shingles. It's going to be a 3-tab. It's going to be an 09 build, which indicates this is none other than a discontinued certainty CT20, which is not algae resistant and it is not compatible with any modern day products. I'm going to recommend a full replacement. This one's pretty bad. Here's my other failed repair.